Hello everyone, welcome back to Express VTU for all. In this video we are going to discuss a very important question from module 2. So our question is explain Strassen's matrix multiplication and derive its time complexity. So firstly we will understand what it means by Strassen's matrix multiplication algorithm. So it is nothing but it is a divide and conquer algorithm proposed by Volker Strassen in 1969. It improves upon the conventional matrix multiplication algorithm by reducing the number of multiplications required. Here we will easily understand this what it means by this. So conventional method, firstly we will know for 2 into 2 matrices, A is equals to A00, A01, A10 and A11, like this B is equals to B00, B01, B10 and B11. The standard method requires 8 multiplication and 4 additions. Strassen's method reduces this to only 7 multiplication, thereby improving the asymptotic running time. Because of this, our work gets easier. Now, we will simply see this Strassen's formula. So, let C is equals to A into B. Here C is nothing but C00, C01, C10 and C11. First, compute 7 intermediate products. Here we can see the 7 intermediate products M1, M2, M3, M4, M5, M6 and M7. So here we can easily see. Like this we can do in the Strassen's matrix. Now then, computing the result matrix, which is C00, C01, C10 and C11. Here C00 is M1 plus M4 minus M5 plus M7. In C01, M3 plus M5 and C10, M2 plus M4, and in the C11, which is nothing but M1 plus M3 minus M2 plus M6. Thus, only 7 multiplications are required instead of 8. Now here, recursive application we will see. For n into n matrices where n is equals to the power k, the matrices are divided into 4 submatrices. So here a matrix A, B, we can see each submatrix has size n by 2 into n by 2. The same Strassen's formula are recursively applied to these submatrices. We can easily see here. Now we will see the time complexity analysis. So first one, which is multiplication complexity. Let m of n denote the number of multiplications since there are 7 recursive multiplications, which means m of n is equals to 7 into m into n by 2, comma m of 1, which is equals to 1. Solving by backward substitution. Here m of 2 to the power k is equals to 7m 2k to the power minus 1. Like this we will reduce here, like k minus 2, k minus 3 up to 1. Since m of 1 is equals to 1 and k is equals to log base 2n, therefore m of n is equals to n to the power log base to 7, which is nearly equal to n to the power 2.807. Now we will see for second one, which is addition and subtraction complexity. Let a of n denote the number of additions, subtraction. At each level, 18 matrix additions, subtractions are performed. Each operation works on matrices of size n by 2 to the power 2. Therefore, a of n is equals to 7a into n by 2 plus 18 into n by 2 to the whole square. With a of 1 is equals to 0, using the master theorem, a of n is equals to theta of n to the power log base to 7. So here we can see the overall time complexity. The dominant term is n to the power log base to 7, hence t of n is equals to theta of n log base to 7, which is nearly equal to theta of n to the power 2.807. Here is the comparison with conventional matrix multiplication method, which is firstly we have taken conventional matrix multiplication, whose time complexity is theta of n cube, and then Strassen's matrix multiplication, which is theta of n to the power 2.807. Since 2.807 is smaller than 3, Strassen's algorithm is asymptotically faster. So like this you have to write in the examination to get the full mark. This is very scoring and important question for your examination. So prepare well and write neatly in the examination to get the full marks. And if you want these notes, you guys can join our WhatsApp channel, whose link is given in the description box. So thank you for watching our video. Please subscribe Express VTU for all.